But I feel very, very excited. In the first place, you see the serene environment, and this is really thanks to our bishop that we had to put up this gigantic place. And aside from that, you yourself, you can feel the joy radiating in everybody's face as we welcome our chief shepherds from the different dioceses. So in one word, it's a day full of joy. I wish the bishops a very successful conference, a conference that will come up with a suggestion or a resolution in their communique to the government and to everybody that will address the challenges that we are facing in Nigeria, and also advise us as Christians the way we should.
The essence of the conference is first and foremost to define the collegiality of the bishops, their unity in the church. Because though every bishop is autonomous to his diocese, but every bishop works in conjunction with every other bishop, being that the mission is one and the same for advancement of the kingdom. So when bishops come together this way, they discuss common pastoral issues and also discuss social issues that concern the nation, and come out with a communique that helps to advise, shape thoughts for sake of progress of humanity.